Iron is an essential mineral that transports oxygen in the body by binding to two important proteins, hemoglobin and myoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein in blood that transports oxygen in the body. Myoglobin is a protein present in muscle tissues. Since iron carries oxygen to the muscles and brain, it is crucial for both mental and physical performance. The transport of oxygen by iron to the skeletal muscles plays an important role in aerobic performance. Maintaining an adequate intake of iron is necessary to prevent iron deficiency anemia, a condition characterized by decreased hemoglobin levels. Some animal sources of iron include liver and organ meats, red meat, shellfish, turkey and fish. Vegetarians and vegans can get their iron from broccoli, spinach, legumes, tofu and quinoa. The recommended dietary allowance or RDA of iron is slightly higher for adult women than men. For men over 18 years, the RDA is 8.7 mg a day, while it is 14.8 mg a day for women aged 19 to 50. Women need more iron than men to make up for the amount of iron they lose in their menstrual period. The RDA for vegetarians is 1.8 times higher than for people who eat meat. This is because iron from animal sources is more easily absorbed than iron from plant sources. Pregnant women also need higher levels of iron to meet the needs of the growing fetus and placenta. They are advised to consume 27 mg of iron per day. Other groups of people who need extra iron and are at risk for iron deficiency include people who donate blood frequently, people with cancers that cause chronic blood loss, people with heart failure, premature infants, and children. Iron deficiency can result in weakness and fatigue, dizziness, pale skin, anemia, headache, brittle nails, irregular heartbeats, and shortness of breath. Iron deficiency can occur due to inefficiency in the absorption and transport of iron. Genetics, in part, influences iron regulation in the body. The TMPRSS6 gene produces an enzyme called matriptase 2. It controls the function of another protein called hepcidin. Hepcidin regulates how much iron is absorbed from the diet and released from storage sites in the body, which helps maintain iron levels in the body. Certain changes in the TMPRSS6 gene can increase the levels of the matriptase 2 enzyme. The elevated levels can result in either or both of the following: blocking the absorption of iron from the gut, preventing the release of iron from the storage. HFE is another gene that influences iron requirements. The HFE protein also regulates the production of hepcidin. When the proteins involved in iron sensing and absorption are not functioning properly, it can increase the risk of iron deficiency. A genetic test can help identify if you carry any faulty genes that could increase your risk for iron deficiency. Most genetic tests provide your DNA information in the form of a text file called the raw data. This data may look like a bunch of numbers and letters that may not be easy to decode. Worry not, Xcode Life can help you with this. All you have to do is upload this file and order the gene nutrition report. We then analyze your raw data in detail to provide you with comprehensive nutrition analysis, including information on TMPRSS6, HFE, and various other genes influencing your iron levels.